Have you ever come across an investment opportunity that promises high returns, but you're not very sure if it is too good to be true ama ni aje? Well, last year we had an investment product that returned an annual return of, listen, 45.8%. That was just for 2024. Sounds impressive, right? But here is the real question. Is it worth going for again? Should you invest in this product? Can you achieve a similar return this year from the same product? Or was it just a one-time sheer luck kind of situation? Welcome to Manifestations as we look deep into different investment products that are available for you and me. And today we are going to look deeper into Kuza Momentum Fund, which is one of the most talked about investment products in the market, especially for those looking to grow their returns faster kidogo. We'll break down what it is, how it works, who is it meant for, or who can go for it, and the risks that are involved in this particular investment product. I hope you're subscribed so that usikose any of the products that are coming. Please note that this is not a sales pitch. It's a neutral fact-based exploration to help you decide if this fund aligns with your financial goals. So whether you are a seasoned investor or just curious, this video will answer some of your hot questions. Let's get started with the basics. So what exactly is the Kuza Momentum Fund? At its core, the Kuza Momentum Fund is a high-yield investment product which is offered by Kuza Asset Management, who is a fund manager based in Nairobi, and this is one of the reputable ones. Wenye pia wako na money market fund, fixed income funds. So it is regulated by the Capital Markets Authority and of course by the Retirement Benefits Authority, that is RBA, because they also offer pension funds as well on the side. So this means that it operates under strict guidelines which are designed to protect investors and ensure that there is transparency. But then, what makes this fund stand out? Why is it special? Why are people talking about it? So it is important to start by telling you that this product, you see this one, is not designed for everybody. It is for aggressive investors, people who are willing to take on some slightly higher risks than normal for the chance of earning higher returns back. If you're someone who is comfortable with the market fluctuations, when they go up you're okay, when they come down you're okay, and is looking for significant capital growth over the long term, this fund might just be the one that should catch your interest. So who are they? Say that the fund uses a strategy called dynamic asset allocation. Basically what this means in English is, instead of putting all your money in one type of investment, the fund spreads it across a mix of equities, fixed income securities, and even offshore assets. Okay, so this diversification is meant to help the fund capitalize on the short-term market inefficiencies na pia zile long-term trends to capture them for your gain, which helps to maximize your returns while managing the risks that are involved. So let's talk about numbers first before we go fast. So Kuza Momentum Fund last year returned 45.8%. Yes, you heard that right, 45.8% return. But before you get too excited, it's important to understand that these returns do come with their own set of risks, which we are going to discuss later on in this video. But in a nutshell, the Kuza Momentum Fund is a high performance and it is a diversified investment product, and it is designed for those who are ready to take calculated risks for the chance of getting good returns. Okay, but as with any other investment, it is not a solution for everyone, and this is due to the higher risk component involved in this particular product. So let's start with the basics. How do you invest? How do you get into this product? So for you to get started, first of all, you need a minimum of 250,000 bob for you to start. That is your initial investment. So if you want to do any other top up later on, you want to add more money, the minimum top up allowed is 100,000 bob. So sio ya kila mtu, as you can already see. And once you invest, your money is locked in for at least 6 months, also known as the lock-in period. This means that during this period you can't withdraw. So you must first of all be sure you are comfortable with this commitment and not go around locking and then you get stuck. So this lock-in period is supposed to help them execute the strategies that they have put in place to give you the returns. Sio ati kukunyima pesa yako, okay? But it also means that you need a plan wewe that in case you might need access to your money in the short term, isikuwe umefungia all your money right there. So let's talk about where your money goes. Where do they invest this money? The Kuza Momentum Fund wanna invest in a diversified portfolio which includes number one, equities. Hizi ni zile stocks which are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, hiyo ni NSE, na pia other recognized exchanges. So this is supposed to help you maximize the returns while minimizing the risks. Then number two ni fixed income securities, and this includes the bonds and other debt instruments that provide a more stable and predictable kind of return. And then number three, offshore investments. These are international securities kama za USA and those ones that help diversify risk and tap into global opportunities. And number four, they can do derivatives and pia IPOs. Hizi ni zile zenye ziko na higher risk kidogo but ziko na higher reward. Yes, this is meant to amplify the returns when the markets are favorable ama they are giving favorable conditions, and anytime that the opportunities arise. So wako na hiyo opportunity yote to do that. So now that you know how it works, let me tell you about who it is suitable for. As I said earlier, it's designed for aggressive investors. Na hizi nazisema in capital letters. People who are comfortable with higher risks, which of course comes with the chance for earning higher returns. If you're that someone, definitely this is the fund that you need to sign up to. Kabisa, na unaingia tu kwa hapo description chini, pick up the link. I'll put the link there for you where uanze tu. Who was it meant for? Number one, high net worth individuals. If you have disposable income and are looking to grow your wealth significantly, yani uko na pesa zimelala mahali, this fund can offer you an opportunity to tap into high yield investments. Number two, wenye wanafaa hii product ni institutional investors. Hawa ni kama companies, organizations or even retirement funds which are looking to diversify their portfolios and maximize returns. So those ones can find this very appealing. Number three ni retail investors. Sasa ni wale kawaida everyday people like you and me who are willing to take calculated risks as well, and when you wako na a long term investment horizon. Now these ones pia can benefit a lot from this fund as long as uko na hiyo minimum that is required to start investing. But here is one thing, if you're someone who prefers safer, low risk investments, someone that needs quick access to your money from time to time, or is not comfortable with market volatility, ati zimeenda juu zimeenda chini, this fund might not be the right choice for you. And for that case, wewe please sit down kwanza, this is not yours. Alafu the funds 6-month lock-in period and exposure to higher risks asset like equities and derivatives mean that it's best suited for those who can afford to wait out through short-term market fluctuations in case vitu zimeenda positive, negative huko chini, and those who will focus on long-term growth. Then those are the people that this is meant for. So before you decide to invest, ask yourself this: what are my financial goals? How much risk am I comfortable taking? Can I afford to let my money stay for 6 months or even more without being bothered? If the answer aligns with the fund's profile, it might be worth considering. But if not, afadhali tuambiane ukweli, there are plenty of other investment options out there that might be better suiting to your needs. Na si lazima ufuate interest rates. While the fund is managed by experienced professionals, no one can predict the market with absolute certainty. Poor decision making or unforeseen market conditions here and there could lead to underperformance of the fund. But we are not saying ati wanaenda ku underperform. Past performance or even last year's performance should not be used to promise a future return. It's important to weigh these risks against your financial goals and risk tolerance. So if you're someone who can handle easy fluctuations, vile tumesema, ups and downs, iko negative, uko tu sawa, you can wait, and is focused on the long-term growth, so the Kuza Momentum Fund might still be a good fit for you. But if you are risk averse, yani wewe na risk kidogo ampendani, or you need more stability and security, you might want to explore other options. My final take is this: do not put all your money in this fund if you can afford it, and be open because it might surprise you positively or negatively. They even say that if things are bad, let's say for example things are in the negative in terms of returns, they have the right to withhold or suspend withdrawal to protect you, the client, from any loss. When you're getting in, get in having considered all this, and you will do great at the end of the day. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, happy investing. And remember, the best investment that you can make is in your own financial education. Can't wait to see you in the next video.